Hello my loves, I hope you're having a dark and mysterious day. It's your friend Morbixia. I'm going to show you my outfit real quick and then we're going to get into the Jungle Tribe unboxing. So the overdress is the Lucretia duster from Foxblood. The underdress is from Disturbia. I love this pattern in Disturbia. Let me show you the back of the duster. Super cute. I got this duster yesterday and I love it. I already went out and got a pedicure in the salon. The girls were asking me about my outfit. Now I have the blouse, the skirt, the dress that I'm wearing, and then I also have a mermaid skirt in this pattern, which I really like. And of course, this lovely necklace and the bracelet are both from Martha Rotten. This is just a little Temu ring. Well, let's get into it. Happy mail. So I was hoping that this was going to come for my birthday. Sadly, it did not, but better late than never. I'm excited to have it. So this was actually planned for my birthday outfit, but like I said, it did not arrive in time. A little card. Let's see what it says. So a little sticker. Cool bag. So I got two pieces of jewelry. Oh, and it's even got a smaller bag on the inside. That's nice. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. This is my Saturday, so look at that. I love that. It is flat on back, and it has such a super chunky chain. Look at the detail you can actually see through the skull. Really, really pretty. I love that. That's going to be great. Again, lovely box. Got a sticker on the box. So one of the little holes is a skull, and then one's a little skeletal hand. So this is a life cast. No animal was harmed in either of these things. But I love the little teeth. Super neat. And this is called the Jaw Generation necklace. So very nice. Gonna hop off here. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you next time. Ciao.